being fixed. But they have hours of operations right here. Philly food trucks too. Giving you all the grub you could ever want with that nice skyline in the background too. And a dragon. Just chilling. Probably wondering where Khaleesi is. Me too. I'm really anxious for the next season. I think the devil's driving that cab right there. Nice mother dragon. What building is that? Holy crap. Look at that. Looks like I got a big Christmas tree over there too. Look at it all. Damn. Wow, that is one tagged up little crate, huh? About to answer that age-old question. Who's better, Geno or Pats? Got a couple of people that have eaten here. Along with some words and flowers. You can even see Genos down the way. Jesus Christ, there's nothing left of that thing. There's Genos. And it looks like they got a bunch of pictures of people that have been here too. Even more on this side. Take a look at them all. There it is with his king's crown. Pat, the king of steaks. About the same price at $9.25. And it's even got its own sign. Cheesesteak?
Onions?
Yeah.
Cheese with $10. This one, I don't know.
Alright.
This I definitely gotta mix up. For here, you want to wrap it up?
No, for you. The original cheesesteak. Fast food I ever had. Soon I paid, it was in my hand. A little present to myself. Almost a month, or maybe more than a month now, of straight vlogs. And many more months continued. Since everyone seems to be quitting vlogs. PewDiePie, Casey Neistat, horde of others, but me and Adam LaWoo, we're sticking strong. This one's to you, the faithful five. Cheers. That sauce sets it off. The sauce and the onions, and that good steak. I'm not really too much of a steak eater, but for this occasion, definitely. On for round two. Let's see who's really the best of Philadelphia.
Yeah, I should have told you to get them like you again.
One way cheesesteak?
I don't think we...
Here's a present for your picture.
Alright.
I'm just gonna go get some now.
Thank you. And one from Genos. This mystery will soon be solved. Paz does the sliced up ones. They just do straight up like big slices. Gonna have to give Pat's the win. Genos was good, but I felt like it needed salt. This one kind of, the sauce held its own. It was really good. This one kind of just tasted like your plain old regular nacho sauce. This one definitely had some spice I never tasted before. Oh boy, it's definitely the king of steaks. Definitely something in that sauce that no one's managed to figure out. Give it to you, Pat. It's definitely not because my name's Pat. Getting this guy would not be a mistake. Good pun. I'll give you points for that too. Recommend you do your own test. Wow, look at that sight of Philly from right here. Or at least the Philly skyscrapers. Yeah, recommend you get your own sights. Do your own test. I like a saltier steak. Look at that pile up. I don't think he can fit one more piece of garbage on there. Oh. Time to make some miles. Roll across the street. With all the glass pieces and tile painting bits. Garbage on the floor. Modèle spécial. Wow, that's a nice one. What are they selling? Bronze men? Huh. With wood behind them? Who are you, a Boy Scout of some sort? You must be pretty giant on fitness. Here's a tractor. Right next, the Little Caesars! This one actually glows in the dark. Oh, I mean, the lights turn on. Pretty good looking. I love this twitching backlight here. It's entertaining. Yeah, and the top one twitches out too. Look at that guy right there too. It's like I'm not alone in the adventure. Well, I've hit another Walmart for the night, so you know what that means. I'll see you later. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you tomorrow.